What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Oh man, it feels so good to be back on the bike, kinfolk. It's been a good while since I've been on Old Blue, man. And so I'm back on it, make a video, and today feels gorgeous, man. It's actually October 7th, a Sunday, and it's like 75 degrees is what the what my app said. So we're headed out here, man, to get this video this morning. Actually, I gotta make a couple of them, but this one here is going to be another 3x3. So I ended up getting nominated again by my boy BubbaTX. There's his decal right there, BubbaTX. And so I gotta do another 3x3, which is all good, man, because I love doing those things. But so we'll go ahead and get it started, man, and that way this video is not too long. So what we're going to do is the first, the 3x3, y'all have got to know about the 3x3 already. It's been all over the place, man. So you name 3 things that your viewers may not know about you, and then also you nominate 3 more people. So we're gonna get started with the 3 things that y'all may not know. The first thing, man, is my name. So my name is, of course, Knuckles, but my first name, man, is Justo, J-U-S-T-O, Justo. And what y'all do not know is that not only am I named Justo, but my dad's name is also Justo, and my son's name is Justo as well. Now, we're not a first, a second, and a third. We're not senior, junior, and Trey. We, cause we all have, my dad doesn't have a middle name, I have a middle name, and my son has a different middle name. So, that's the first thing, man. Now the second thing, kinfolk, is, this may come as a surprise to y'all, I know, but, even though I am of the Hispanic race, I do not speak Spanish. I speak a little bit, but not enough to hold a conversation with anybody or to actually say I speak Spanish. So I know, y'all can't believe it, man. I get so much hell from people, man, especially Spanish speakers. They look at me and they're like, what, you don't speak a Spanish? No, that's probably a bad a bad imitation of. The third thing that you may not know about me is, even though I ride a Harley, I love my Harley, I am actually falling in love with that 2019 Indian Chieftain, kinfolk. If y'all have not seen that, I'll see if I can find a picture and post it right here, but if y'all have not seen that bike, oh my gosh, that bike is sexy. I'm not even gonna lie. They've done a revision of the fairing along with the revision of the bags, but golly, man, that thing is gorgeous. And for those of y'all that don't know, Chieftain looks like a street glide, basically. So it's got the full fairing and everything, radio, man, just a big ass screen on it. The electronics that come with that bike are insane. Me and my son went and looked at it here a couple weekends ago, and golly, man, just crazy. But gorgeous bike, man. Indian, props to them. The other styles I'm not a big fan of, but this new Chieftain is just amazing, especially the Dark Horse, man. But anyway, well, that's it, kinfolk. That's the 3 things that y'all may not have known about me. First thing is, me, my son, and my dad all have the same first name. Second thing is, even though I'm Hispanic, I do not speak Spanish. And the third thing is, I am secretly falling in love with the new 2019 Indian Chieftain. Golly, man. Alright, well, now I gotta name 3 people to go ahead and do this 3x3 challenge. And I'm gonna pull over because these 3 cats are actually newer subs to me, man, and I've watched some of their videos, but I haven't gotten caught up on all their stuff. But of course, like I said before, y'all know me, I'm old, I forget shit, and so it's hard for me to remember anything. So let's pull over real quick, and that way I can get y'all their channels, their channel names. Alright, kinfolk, so the first cat that I'm gonna nominate is going to be CC Rider Vehicle Vlogs. He actually rides an Indian. He rides a Indian Scout bobber, but great dude, man. He's got some cool videos, so make sure y'all go check him out, man. CC Rider Vehicle Vlogs, and all their links will be down below, man. So make sure y'all give them a follow and let them know Knuckles sent you, man. The second one will be. Second one is going to be Dirty Deez. Dirty Deez, D-E-Z. He is out of San Antonio, I believe. So, Dirty Deez, make sure y'all go give him a follow, man. Go give him a follow, man. He's got some great videos, and he's actually the reason why I've gotten some of these new subs, man. He did a video, matter of fact, let me see here. He did a video about hashtag support new stuff, big announcements. That was a couple days ago, man. I'm gonna put that in the card up here. Make sure y'all go check that video out, man. It's really cool. Trying to get everybody to support everybody in the motovlogs community, especially us newer ones. So it was a great thing, man. Like I said, I got a couple subs off of him, and I actually subbed to a couple more channels that I did not know about because of that. So make sure y'all go check out Dirty Deez. And then the last one will be Tarrnation. So Tarrnation actually already did a 3x3 challenge, but kinfolk, if you want to do it again, there is your nomination, Tarrnation. And he's got a great channel, man. His setup in his garage is amazing. He's got so many beers set up in there, man, just displayed, and it is awesome, man. So make sure y'all go check out Tarrnation, man. Like I said, all three of their links will be down below. Give them a follow, man. Follow them on Instagram also, and make sure you let them know Knuckles sent you, man. So again, BubbaTX, appreciate it, man. Thank you for all the love and support you've given me and my channel, man. And hopefully we can ride soon, brother. And so there we go, kinfolk. That is my second 3x3 challenge. So until next time, kinfolk, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.